In front of me is Honor View 20, and today I would like to show you how you can block app notifications. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access notifications. Then tap on Manage All and click on blue sweater next to any app from which you want to block them. You can switch them back on by hitting the same now gray sweater. If you want to, you can also go back and tap on one of your apps over here. Then tap on this sweater next to Allow Notifications to manage them. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!